People were asking how to convert a 64 gig micro SD card to FAT32. So I find a software that should be able to help you guys do that, and so you can use a 64 gig micro SD card into your drones. First of all, go to this website, microread.com. I will put the link on the post below, and download the free edition. Just put your mouse on top there and select the portable edition. Once you click on it, you will download a zip file. Once you unzip the zip file, this is what you're gonna, all the two folders, that's what you're gonna get. You got two versions, 64 and 86. In my case, I'll go for the 64 and just run the executable file. This is what you get. That's the video, sorry, the software. As you can see, my card is already inserted on my laptop and it shows that it's exFAT. What you do is select it, right click and click on Format Volume. Choose FAT32, cluster size 64K. Don't touch anything else, click OK. Then on top left, you need to apply the changes by clicking on Commit. Again, it will ask you if you want to apply the changes now. Click OK. And done. The card has been converted. You can check. We go into the card properties. As you can see, it's FAT32. I already tried on my SJRC F11 drone. Before the formatting, it wasn't working at all. It wouldn't record video or pictures on it. After I converted using this software to FAT32, everything is working. It will record, no problem. Hope this helps you. Apologize if maybe I didn't explain that well, as this one is my first time that I record the video for anyone. Thank you.